What's up, everybody? We got this DT466 today, and it has a hard start, cold or hot. Customer says the only way they can get it running is if they spray some brake clean in it, and then it'll run. So what we got here is, first thing you want to do basically is check pressures. Pull this sensor out right here and make sure there's oil coming out of here. You might have to get a zip tie and check it, but you know your oil level should be somewhere in here. There's two seals inside of this case. Now if that seal's blown out, then it won't even supply oil to the pump. I've already done that, so I don't want to do it again and make a mess. But pull this plug out right here and make sure there's oil coming out of it, which we had plenty of oil. As soon as I pull the sensor, oil came pouring out. So next, what we're going to do, this is your high pressure line. This goes into the fuel manifold here. So we basically have it here. We have a gauge connected, and we have it deadheaded to a gauge right here. And we're just going to crank it and see what we get. Okay, so we got our gauge hooked up. This is a 5,000 or a 4,000 psi gauge. You need a good gauge, as that pump is capable of putting out I don't know, 7,000 psi, somewhere around there. We need at least 500 to start it. So let's see what happens when we crank it. Oh yeah, that pump is good, I would say. Let's double check. Oh yeah, that pump is definitely good. As you see, we climbed right over to 3,000, no problem. So that tells me the pump is fine. All right, so we deadheaded the pump. We know the pump is making pressure. That was making about, it pretty much maxed my 4,000 psi gauge out. So we know it's making pressure. So what we need to do is we need to pressure test the oil system in the engine. As it seems like that's probably where our issue is, since we know the pump is good. So everything pump forward is good. It's getting good oil supply. It's putting out pressure. So what we're going to do now is this is the oil feed line from the pump. We're going to put shop air right into this and see if we have an injector O-ring or something blown out along one of these. Because if we have an injector blown out or something, then that will definitely cause our oil pressure loss. So let me set that up and see what I find. I'll let you guys know. All right, so we got everything set up here. We're going to put shop air. Oh yeah, there it is. Number 2 right there. See how number 2? Bubbling away. Injector's done. Fuel line fixed. Fires right up, baby.